Hey crafty people, come on in and let's find out which craft we're doing today.
Hey crafty people! So today's craft is sewing. Now last week was part one of the series where I started my very first quilt kit from the Art East Quilt Co. The name of the pattern is Night Howler. And if you watched part one, you know that I had a co-star, my seam ripper, Dirk. He made many appearances last week. I really hope he doesn't show up again this week. But today we will finish the quilt top. So to see how it turned out, keep watching. Now here you'll see when I was making these stars, I would stop, leave the needle down, and pivot the fabric. And what I'm trying to do is making sure that the stitch line is going right in front of the point of that star. Okay, right across there. And when it's pressed open, it's going to be good. Yep, here we go. More seam ripping. I'm really glad that Dirk isn't a person because he would be demanding to be put in the credits of this video. Now let's talk flying geese. So off camera, I drew the line from corner to corner on these two pieces of fabric. This piece of fabric we'll call the main fabric. It's on there. Now, I want to make sure that it looks like a V, right? Or that's the way that I'm going to sew it. So let me show you what I mean. They look like a V this way. And I'm going to start on each corner and come down. But I'm going to do this one first. Then I'm going to come back and do this one because this one's going to overlap this piece. Now the reason why they call it a flying geese is because of this triangle shape. So just imagine this point right here being the head goose. And the rest of this line are the other geese following. And that's how they fly. So that's why it's called flying geese. So now let me take that off. Okay. And I'm going to stitch on the line, but I want to try and be as close to this side of the line as I can because this side is going to fold over to that side and it has to go up and over the thread. And yes, that's not a very thick piece of thread, but it still makes a tiny bit of difference. So we want this side and this side to match up to this side and this side when we fold it over. So that's how I like to do it. Is it's still going to be on the line. It's just going to be a little bit to that one side. But I'm not always accurate, and that's okay. Just give it your best. Okay, and I'm eyeing this slot right there because that's where the needle's going up and down. Need to adjust a little bit. Ooh, not the speed. Let's see how I did. Whoop. Okay, pretty good. I didn't start off too well, but here it's all good. All right, so let's see when we fold it over. I'm gonna have to press it in order for it to go all the way where it's supposed to. But you can see when it's pressed, it's gonna go correctly. So I need to trim this off and then press it over, and then I'll do the next piece. All right, so there we have it. Okay, and now we're going to take this one, even this out. Okay. And now I'm going to sew a little bit to that side of the line over here, because this piece is going to go up and over. There we go. And there's our flying geese. I'll try to insert a picture of them flying right over top of it.
So y'all probably just noticed I just used Dirk 2 more times and then he rolled off the table. I think he quit. Special shout out to my friend Zaza, the inappropriate quilter. She reminded me about the 1/4-inch seam guide, which I knew I had one, so I'm starting to use it here and it works great for straight stitching.
Well, here it is, crafty friends. I'm finished the quilt top. I just love the way this has come out. I think it looks really good. I hope you enjoy watching me complete the quilt top. Now, part 3, I will be showing you how I quilt this using my embroidery machine. So I hope you come back for that, and thanks again for watching. Bye, crafty people.